Today I'm going to teach you how to delete an app in Salesforce Lightning or uninstall a package. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or removing tools you no longer need, knowing how to properly delete apps and uninstall packages will help you keep your Salesforce environment organized and running smoothly. Let's start with deleting an app. First, you'll need to access your Salesforce setup. Look for the gear icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of your screen, and click on it from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Setup. This takes you to the main configuration hub where you can manage all aspects of your Salesforce account. Once you're in the setup area, you'll notice a quick find search box on the left side of the screen. This is a handy tool that helps you navigate through Salesforce's many settings quickly. In that search box, type App Manager and then select App Manager from the results that appear. This will bring up a list of all the apps currently installed in your Salesforce environment. Now scroll through the list to find the specific app you want to delete. When you locate it, look to the far right column of that app's row. You'll see a drop-down arrow there. Click on that arrow to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, click on Delete. Salesforce will then show you a confirmation dialog to make sure you really want to remove this app. This step is important because deleting an app is permanent, so take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one. Once you're sure, confirm the deletion in the dialog box. Now, if you need to uninstall a package instead, the process is slightly different, but just as straightforward. Again, click on the gear icon and select Setup to access your configuration settings. In the Quick Find search box, this time type Installed Packages and select Installed Packages from the results. This will display all the packages currently installed in your Salesforce account. Browse through the list to find the package you want to remove. Once you've located it, click on the Uninstall button next to that package. Before the uninstallation completes, Salesforce will present you with an important option regarding your data. You'll see two choices. You can either select Save a copy of this package's data for 48 hours after uninstall or do not save a copy of this package's data after uninstall. This is a crucial decision because it determines whether you'll have a temporary backup of the package's data after removal. Choose the option that best fits your needs. After making your data selection, you'll need to confirm your decision by checking the box that says, Yes, I want to uninstall. This is Salesforce's way of ensuring you're absolutely certain about removing the package. Once you've checked that box, click the Uninstall button to complete the process. The package will then be removed from your Salesforce environment. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete apps and uninstall packages in Salesforce Lightning, giving you full control over your workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.